Are you tired of work, business, and constant tension? Give yourself a few minutes for complete relaxation with soothing sounds or music. Put on your headphones, relax, and immerse yourself in this short lecture that will help you rethink your life and find inner balance. Conscious living begins the moment you stop expecting the world or others to create the perfect conditions for you to perform at your best. Many people spend years waiting for compensation for an unhappy childhood, failed love, or other life disappointments. But in these expectations, a lifetime passes. The sooner you stop and get out of the automatic rut of unrealistic plans and expectations, the more time you save for true creativity and realizing your potential. While you wait, your potential sleeps. Freedom of action is not something someone can give you. It is something you can only take by yourself. To be free means to be deeply responsible and ethical. True freedom involves loving, respecting, and caring for everything around you. Freedom is when you are responsible for your own actions and decisions, rather than letting other people correct you with their praise or judgment. Freedom is often confused with self-centered promiscuity. People who put themselves at the center of the world and demand that everything revolve around them sooner or later face reality, because the world is much bigger and stronger than their desires. True freedom begins with recognizing oneself and accepting the world as it is. With love to you, Asher Ellen. Want to learn more about how to change your thinking and live consciously? Subscribe and stay tuned for more lectures.